how to add indicator on MT4. So first thing first, let's open the MetaTrader 4 app, and now you can see there is chart option at the bottom of this section. So let's tap on chart icon, and now you can see there is F option at the top of this chart. So if you tap on it, you will be able to see main window and indicator window 1. So just select main window, and you can see there is lots of indicator in here, so you can choose any of them according to your wants and strategies. So for now, let me choose Bollinger Bands as an example, and now you can modify the properties of your indicator. And finally, once everything done, simply tap on done, and yeah, you will be able to add your indicator on MT4 successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to add your MetaTrader, indicator on MetaTrader 4 app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.